Yes, yes.
Perfect. So, welcome to the weekly check-in call, everyone.
Only audio.
Okay,
Hello?
someone is not on mute. Who is not on mute?
Yashna, she wants to say something. Yes,
Okay.
Yashna. Do you want to say something? Okay.
I think Amrita and Raj have raised hand. Yeah, Amrita and Raj.
I think today's weekly check-in call for feedback.
Okay, so it's not for feedback because we did that last week, but it's something else. Okay, let's begin, okay? So we'll start with meditation as usual. Everyone please sit in your smart positions. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Focus your attention on your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll do count twice. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this 2 more times. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time with me. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you're ready, rub your palms, generate heat, put it on your eyes and open your eyes. Good morning, everyone. So nice to see all of you here. So we will start with sharing our feelings. So there are 3 things that you need to share. 1, your feelings. 2nd, what you're grateful about. And 3rd, what is your favorite part of the day? Okay? Every day, what is one thing that you really enjoy doing? What is the favorite part? So we'll quickly share and then we'll tag the next person. So I'm gonna start with Amrita and Raj. You guys share first and then tag. Come on.
I am feeling today happy. I'm feeling happy because today my Shweta's worksheet is submitting, and I hope it will be get right. And I am little sad. I will tell later. And I am grateful for my parents and my teachers who are giving phone to who do not have. And my favorite part is when I say a lot in night. I say a lot in night. Then I'm sleepy also in night. Then I like to sleep, and in that day I sleep very relaxed when I talk a lot.
Raj, you also share and then Raj tag someone.
I am feeling happy. I am feeling excited to go village in November, and I am grateful for my family. And my favorite part of to go my friend's house.
Raj, you haven't tagged anyone. Please tag someone.
Wait, I am tagging. Misbah.
I am feeling very excited and I am grateful for this meeting, and my favorite part of the day is seeing mobile.
All right, Puspa, please tag someone.
Anjali,
Okay, Anjali, share. Anjali, you're on mute.
Teacher, which Anjali? Anjali, me. I'm feeling excited because I'm seeing new volunteers, and I'm feeling sad because my mother is not feeling well. And my favorite is Max, learning Max with Python, and done.
Very nice,
Vinayak.
Anjali. Thank you for tagging. Yes, Vinayak. Okay, someone's not on mute. Mm. All right, I think Vinayak, can you hear me? Is Vinayak part of the call today? Let me check. No, Vinayak is not here. Okay, Jyoti, would you like to share?
Yeah, teacher Jyoti.
I am feeling excited because there is new volunteer, and I'm grateful for that. I do my homework, and my favorite day is we will do activity.
Okay. All right, Jyoti, please tag.
I will tag Muskan.
Muskan, Jyoti has tagged you. Yes.
I'm feeling very well, and I am grateful today. Worksheet is easy, so I'm very happy, and my favorite part of the day is I am watch the TV.
Okay. Muskan, tag someone. Come on.
Bindia. Bindia.
I am feeling excited. I am grateful for my school, and my favorite part of the day is my Mochi came to another place.
Okay. Bindya, do the tagging, please. Come on, once you are done, automatically tag the other person, okay? Don't wait for me to say.
Srushti.
Shrishti, can you hear us?
Yes,
Yeah, share, please.
I'm feeling glad today because the birthday is approaching, and I'm grateful to have nice education, and my favorite part of the day is to class with my classmates and teachers.
Okay, very nice. Shrishti, please tag someone.
I text to Shivani Devi.
Okay. Shivani, can you hear me? शिवानी आपको सुन रहा है? प्लीज म्यूट अनम्यूट करो. Yeah. So everyone, this is Shivani. She is your new classmate. She just took admission yesterday. So welcome to our class, Shivani. We are very happy for you to be here. Yeah, you all can say hi to her.
Shivani.
I also new boy.
Hi, Shivani.
Faisal.
I also new boy.
Yes, Faisal, you are new for the past 5 years.
Oh, 5 years में 1 year.
अच्छा ओके. अच्छा शिवानी, सो हम व्हाट वी डू एवरी डे इज वी शेयर आवर फीलिंग. हम जैसा फील कर रहे होते हैं ना, हम वो शेयर करते हैं. सो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग टुडे? हैप्पी, सैड, एक्साइटेड, एंग्री, एनीथिंग? नर्वस? I can't hear you. Say loudly. Okay, you don't want to share? It's okay if you don't want to share. अगर आपको शेयर नहीं करना है, it's okay, चलेगा. But अगर आप शेयर करना चाहते हो तो आप कर सकते हो. अच्छा, okay, fine. So everyone, Shivani is feeling थोड़ा सा nervous, so it's okay, Shivani, no worries. You share from tomorrow. You get used to today. ठीक है? Okay. Who is the person who has not shared yet? Next person. Abhijit, you have not shared. Okay, Kushnuma is raising hand. Yes, Kushnuma, what happened?
Can I say?
Okay, share.
I am happy because 2 reasons. First reason is new volunteers came. Second reason is Alisa Miss birthday is approaching, and I am grateful for my family and friends. My favorite part of the day, I met my friend today.
Ah, very nice. Okay.
I
You know.
take Jasri.
Jayashree, okay.
Today I am feeling little bit. Today I am not feeling well. I am grateful for my family and my life. The day is to spend time.
Okay, sorry to cut you short, Jayashree. Naitik, can you please put yourself on mute? Naitik, अपने आप को mute पे डालो, please. बहुत background noise आ रहा है. Naitik. Okay, Jayashree, continue.
Today I am not feeling little bit well. I am grateful for my family and my life. My favorite part of the day is to spend time with you all.
Jayashree, would you like to tag someone? That was so sweet of you.
Yes,
Jayashree, we didn't hear that. Can you repeat?
Yashna Didi.
Yashna Didi, okay. Yashna, would you like to share?
Yashna, are you there?
New admitting.
Okay, I think she has got network issue.
Yeah, it's okay. Who wants to share next? Who has not shared till now? Faisal is raising hand. Okay,
Yeah.
Faisal. Okay, everyone else on mute, please. Amrita and Raj, put yourself on mute. Yeah, Faisal share. After that, Zainab can share. Come on, Faisal.
इसे वशना देवी ने मेरे साथ टी-शर्ट पहने.
Yes. You are not the only superhero, na, Faisal?
नहीं मैं सुपर हीरो अकेला.
अच्छा, अकेला. Okay. Abhi, would you like to share?
अरे ये जैनब भी कुछ नहीं बोली, तू भी बोल. तू भी बोल.
Okay, Faisal, first you share. Okay, so how are you feeling, Faisal?
Happy.
You're feeling happy? And what are you grateful about?
Wow.
What makes you happy?
I am new cycling.
Ah, your new cycle. You're getting a new cycle or you already bought? आपने ले लिया या फिर आप लोगे?
लिया.
Liya, you bought a new cycle. Very nice. Wow. And what is your favorite part of the day? What do you like to do most?
Mobile.
Okay, what do you do on mobile, Faisal?
Picture in Hindi picture is so. Hindi picture
Oh,
is
you watch Hindi movies? Okay. Thank you so much for sharing, Faisal. Zainab, would you like to share next? Okay, you will need to unmute yourself, Zainab.
I am feeling happy and I am grateful for I come and see you all. I see my friends and today best of my day is
पागल का तू.
Faisal, we will monitor what we say. We will not say any random words like that. Please. You will
यार मैंने
totally.
कुछ नहीं बोला.
Faisal, I will not tolerate that. You will only use respectful language in class. Yes, Zainab, please continue.
I am great. Oh, bus.
Okay. Thank you so much, Zainab. And Faisal, I'm going to call you after the class. We're going to have a conversation. Yes. Who is next? Who has not shared? Okay, let me see. Aryan, you have not shared. Now, would you like to share?
Yes,
Yes.
I am feeling happy to meet Zoom app on Zoom app, and I am excited because my no excited. I am bus done.
Okay, Aryan, thank you so much. Okay, Sumit, would you like to go next?
Yes,
Yeah.
my feeling is happy because I'm going in shooting
Okay.
and I'm grateful for my phone,
Okay.
and my favorite part of the day is to play with my friends.
Okay, very nice. Okay, thank you for sharing, Sumit. Anjali Kandu, would you like to share next? Anjali, क्या आप share करोगे? How are you feeling? Would you like to share, Anjali? Anjali Kandu? Yes. Anjali, आप share करोगे? How are you feeling today? Anjali, I can't hear you. Can you please come closer to your phone? आप phone के close आ सकते हो? All right. Okay, Anjali does not want to share. That's okay. Okay, who is left now? Everyone has shared. Shashwat, would you like to share? Shashwat and Abhishek. Shashwat and Abhishek, both of you are left. So jisko bhi share karna hai can share. Whoever wants to share can share. Okay, Faisal, you know the rules. Please raise your hand, virtual hand, if you want to say anything. Rules don't change. Faisal, raise your virtual hand. That's it.
Teacher.
Yes, Abhishek, share. Yes, Abhishek, share please. All right, Abhishek, you can type on the chat window. So whoever couldn't share, if you like, you can share on the chat window. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. I really enjoyed listening to all of you to know how you're feeling and what you're grateful about and your favorite part of the day. Let's move forward. So we have a very fun activity for you. So I'm going to read a poem. Okay? After I read the poem, you will have to tell me the meaning. Okay, everyone, please on mute. Yeah. After I read the poem, you will have to tell me what you understood from it. Is the instructions clear? Amrita, can you repeat the instructions, please?
You will read the poem, we have to say the meaning.
Yes, whatever you understood from the poem, you have to share that. Okay. It's a very short poem. It's called Colors. My skin is kind of, sort of, brownish, pinkish, yellowish, white. My eyes are grayish, bluish, green. But I'm told they look orange in the night. My hair is reddish, blondish, brown. But it's silver when it's wet. And all the colors I'm inside have not been invented yet. So that's it. I'll read the last two lines again. And all the colors I'm inside have not been invented yet. So this poem is written by Shel Silverstein. Who would like to share what you understood? Anything is okay. There's no wrong answer here. Any volunteers? Raise your virtual hand, please. Juhi. Yes, Jyoti. Sorry. Jyoti, share, please.
Teacher, the poem telling about our body.
Yes. What is it telling you about your body?
Which color body?
Yeah. Very true. Very, very true. That's right. It's telling you about how your body looks, your skin, your eyes. In the first two lines, telling about your skin, different colors your skin can have, your eyes, your hair. What about the last line? Amrita, you're raising your hand. Yes, share.
The last two lines, I think, in which color I am inside, that is not outside.
Okay, what do you mean by that? What do we mean by colors here?
Means colors are anything but how we behave inside, that is not outside.
Okay, very good. Very nice observation. So you're saying ki our behavior, how we behave inside. Do you want to add more? Do you want to say more? What do you mean by behavior?
How we behave with others.
How we behave with others.
Kindly.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Amrita. Anyone else? Anyone else would like to add something to what Amrita said? Okay, Anjali Malesh, what do you think this poem is about? What do you think the last two lines are saying? Do you agree with Amrita?
Yeah, teacher.
Share more. What do you think? What do you feel?
I think in our body there was colors.
Mm-hmm. What do you think colors mean here?
What, teacher?
What do you think colors mean here?
Colors means our feelings.
Yes, very good. So Amrita says behavior, Anjali says our feelings as well. Yes, very true. Okay, one last person. After that, I will Shushti. Okay, yes, Shushti, share.
So in this poem, the colors meaning is they are telling about our quality.
Yes, very true. So, you wanna add anything more, Shushti?
No.
Okay. So thank you so much. I think only the girls answered. Boys, what about you? Okay. I'll also share, then we'll quickly do one activity, okay? So what this poem says is, I might look in a certain way from outside. ठीक है मैं बाहर से कैसी भी दिख सकती हूँ but जरूरी नहीं है how I look from outside is same how I feel inside. Someone can look very happy, pretty and all. But what if from inside they're not a nice person? What about someone is not looking that nice from outside, but what if they're the most kindest, most beautiful person from inside? What if they help everyone? Yeah. So what the last line says is, and all the colors I'm inside have not been invented yet. It also talks about the complexity of emotions. Our emotions, they not need always be happy or they not need always be sad or angry. What if I'm feeling happy and sad together? What about that? What is the name for that? What what if I'm feeling something jiska word hi I don't know, or if there's no word like that? So it's all about that. Yeah. So with that, let's move on to the activity. So the activity is you have to make a drawing of yourself, okay? And then get colors and you have to color it. How do you feel inside? How do you behave? Whatever you think about yourself, you have to color. So you have 5 minutes for this. Go grab a paper and few color pencils, crayons, and then you have to color. I'm starting my reminder right now at 5 for 5 minutes. Okay, I will also make file. You also have to make. Everyone else will share after making. Okay, so I'm putting a reminder now for 5 minutes timer. Okay.
ये song बजा रहे हो?
41. I will play the song in the background. Yes. Okay, we will use good words. Zainab and Faisal. I'll play song in the background, but Faisal, you are the first person who will be sharing your drawing. So start making it. You have to make a drawing of yourself and then you have to color it. What are the colors you feel that you are made of? कौन-कौन से color आपको लगता है आप उन colors के बने हो? So draw those.
Color है ना?
Then write. Pen or pencil होगा. So take a pencil and write. If you think you are made of red color, write red. If you think pink, write pink. If you think blue, write blue. Chalo, no excuses. Come on.
Mansi Didi, we write here, draw.
You can choose. If you don't have colors, then you can write. Otherwise, you color.
Okay.
Okay? I'll also go get my colors.
करता है।
Minutes left, everyone. Quickly finish. Time's up. Okay, who is done? Who wants to share first? Come on. Who wants to share? So what I want is all of you take a picture, okay? Take a picture of your drawing and put it on. I'm opening school group, so you all will be able to send a message on school group. Okay? Wait, let me change the settings. Okay, now all of you will be able to send message on school group. So take a picture of your drawing from your phone and send it on school group. I'm also sharing. Okay, I've shared. All right, Amrita and Raj, 3 people will share large group. Everyone else, you will put your photo in the school group. Come on, Amrita and Raj, please share. Ah, Amrita has put. Very nice, Amrita. I can see. Would you like to tell me about your picture? Why have you chosen these colors? Ooh,
Yes.
nice picture, Aryan. Yes, Amrita.
This is I am. I'm little angry. Everyone says that I'm angry, and I agree that because my brother also had to a lot of anger on my brother, and anyone who do a mistake.
Amrita, I can't hear you.
and which color is red, and I didn't that's why I done my face color red, and I always think my head is very heavy. Then I see the heavy color is dark green, and I done it, and I like cold season, and I
Okay, Amrita, can I request you to put your video off and just talk, because what disturbance are I heard you have chosen color red because you feel angry. Then what?
then I like I see that my head is always heavy. Then I done dark green color, and I like the season of cold, and I like to wear shorts, not like frocks, very heavy frocks, and that's why I done blue color because it is cold.
Oh, very nice. Thank you so much for sharing that, Amrita. Thank you, Muskan, Anjali, Aryan, for putting it on your school group. Next person, who wants to share? Misbah, you want to share? Okay. Next volunteer, come on. Otherwise, I'll choose anyone if you don't volunteer. Come on. Okay. Everyone, turn on your video and show your pictures on the camera. Come on, show it to the camera. Switch on your videos. I'll wait for everyone to switch on their videos. Thank you, Jyoti, Muskan, Zainab, Khushnama, Sumit, Abhijit, Shrishti, Sadek, Abhishek. Oh, Ruchi also made. Thank you. You can reduce the brightness maybe, Ruchi, and then try.
No, I just did it on my mobile, the sketch art thing.
Ah, very nice. Okay, everyone, keep it up. I'll take a picture. Come on. Everyone at the count of 3. Ruchi, you also pick it up. We'll take a picture. Come on. All right. Thank you so much for that, everyone. I've taken a picture of all the people brave enough to show me their faces. Let me just save it. All right. Next person to share. Payal, would you like to share? You're on mute.
Yeah, I drawn my heart today. How I'm feeling from my heart. Okay, yellow is saying I'm very happy because, like I'm starting my day with meeting with my talking to my kids. So like I'm so happy. Other days we are very serious, right? We just talk about studies and all. Today we are not doing any kind of studies. Only we are just talking to each other, trying to know each other. And blue is like I'm quite peaceful today. Maybe I'm not stressed today, so I'm very quite peaceful. Black is I'm sad, little bit sad also because I'm not able to see everyone. If I could switch on your videos, so I would be very happy. I know you are having trouble with your videos, but I was expecting more students, but very few students. Yes, thank you, Anjali, Amrita, Jyoti, Aryan. Thank you. So this is my feeling for today. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing, Payal. Jyoti, you're raising your hand. Yes. Jyoti, unmute and share. Unmute karo because we can't hear you.
Teacher, I do red because sometimes I feel angry on my brother, and I did pink because sometimes I shy. That's why, and I did green because I feel peaceful. Teacher,
You're on mute.
Oh, okay. So I was saying thank you so much for sharing that, Jyoti. Anyone else who would like to share?
Mansi Didi, why don't you share yours?
Yes. Okay. And Shrishti is also raising hand. First, Shrishti, you share, then I'll share. Okay. I see you are very eager to share.
Teacher, I made this picture because sometimes when no one listens to me in one time only, now then I get angry. That's why I put red color and my hands are orange because to help everyone. And my my frock color is green because to stay together with all religions. That's it.
That was so beautiful, Shrishti. Very nice. I really like the choice of your colors and the reasons behind it. Very, very nice and very thoughtful. Okay, so I'll also share. I don't know, I don't have such deep reflections that you guys had. So I could find only these colors and I painted with all the colors. You know, my drawing is not that great. So if I would have found more colors, I would have added that also. Because I feel like I feel so many of the emotions, all of them together. So if we were to talk about, I think this green is because I love plants and I love nature. So that this green would be, I would say, sometimes when I'm not feeling well, I'm sick, so I would pick this green. Blue is for all the times I'm with you guys and I feel so good because you guys make me feel so good about myself. So that's blue. Yellow would be, I feel so happy when I'm, here with you guys and, taking classes. So it's my happy place. And the pink, because, why? When I was small, right, I had lots of Barbies. They were pink in color. Maybe because of that. I don't know. If I had more colors, I would have put that also. So all the colors for me. Okay, I'll again share my screen. It was an amazing activity. Thank you so much for participating. I had wonderful time listening to all of you. Whoever hasn't shared, and if you would like to share, put it on school group. Okay, I will keep school group open for another 30 minutes after this call. After that, I'll change the settings again. All right, this is the most fun part. Is the appreciation and award ceremony. Payal, would you like to take over? You're on mute.
You continue. Everything is, you are having the sequence you are having. So you can.
Okay. Take care. Okay. So we are in the last part of today's call. So we observe, okay? So whenever you do something, even if it's participation in class, your behavior, when you're showing... okay, Abhishek, please keep yourself on mute. Abhishek, on mute, please. Yeah. So whenever you're doing anything, we observe. We see what you're doing. And today, what we have decided is we would want to appreciate you. We would want to give you awards. Whoever is doing whatever the best. So let's begin. Let's see who is winning awards, okay? And we are planning to do this every week. Every Saturday, we'll do it. So let's see this week's winners. Punctuality. Punctuality is being on time. The person who is on time for meeting every day. We have 2 classes every day, at 9 and at 11. So whoever is on time will get the punctuality award. So the first person to get is Krishnama. So everyone, can you clap for her? You can do virtual clapping as well. Yeah. So Krishnama is always on time, no matter when Payal Didi and I start the meeting. She was always on time and she was there waiting for the meeting to start. Every day at 8 o'clock, she would remind me to send homework. The next person is Anjali. Ever since Anjali came back from village, she's been very, very regular and very punctual. She's coming on time every day. So Anjali. Next, Shashwat, he attends all the meetings. No matter if it's weekly check-in like today or online classes, he is there attending all the meetings. So wonderful, Shashwat. Then we have Amrita. Whenever she has phone, even she attends all the meetings with Raj. Both of them are there and attending the meetings. So you also get punctuality award for being on time. Okay. The next round of awards is for participation. I shall participate, I shall contribute, and in doing so, I will be the gainer. Okay, the more you participate, the more you grow. So the winner for participation award is Muskan. So Muskan, she's always participative. She sends her homework on time. She answers, and if she has doubts, she asks. So amazing, amazing Muskan. Very good work. Okay, the next category of awards is Star Performer of the Week. Okay, the person who is behaving all-rounded best. So we have two categories in this. One is in academics, person who's coming for classes, submitting homework, doing good in tests. That's one person. And the other category is person who's participating in class also and in extracurriculars. They're doing all the extracurricular activities. So the first award goes to Anjali for being the star performer in academics. Okay, someone is not on mute. Is someone trying to say anything? Abhishek, were you trying to say anything?
No.
Then please keep yourself on mute now. Thank you, Abhishek. Yes. So Anjali, amazing. So ever since she has come back
I
from-
also every day join na.
Oh yes, Abhishek, you also every day join. So you should also get an award. Yes, I agree. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Okay, wait. We are not done with all the awards. We are talking also about punctuality. Earlier, it was about punctuality, being on time, joining on time. It's not about joining every day. It is about coming on time. So if the class is starting at 9, these guys join the class at 8:50, 8:55, 5 minutes, 10 minutes before class starts. So Abhishek, you also join, but do you join on time? Every day you join on time? Tell me.
Oh.
Yeah, so for next week, you come on time. 9 o'clock ka meeting hai, be here at 8:55. Next week, you will win the award. Okay? Okay, so as I was saying, Anjali, she's doing all the work. She's participating in class and she's coming for all the classes, including extra class. So Anjali wins the Star Performer of the Week award in academics. Amrita wins Star Performer of the Week award in extracurricular. So Amrita and Raj also. So both of them, they participated last month in leadership forum, which was organized by Bangalore Teach for India team. So they participated in that and they came here and they taught you also what they learned. And again, they have participated in a global forum about student leadership. So they're again participating. They send for all activities, dance videos, drama videos, so many videos they keep sending of all the extracurricular activities they take part in. So Amrita and Raj, wonderful. So proud of you guys. Okay, the next and the last category of awards is value awards. Person who is showing value in, let's see. The first category is curiosity. The person who asks a lot of questions. So that's definitely Amrita. She keeps asking me on WhatsApp, whatever she's, thinking about. If she doesn't understand, she asks me those questions. So definitely it goes to Amrita. And Jayashree. So recently Jayashree asked me, when we are walking, why moon it feels like that moon is following us. रात को when we walk, ऐसा लगता है कि moon भी हमें follow कर रहा है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? So that was her question that she asked me. So she also keeps me asking question. So curiosity award goes to Jayashree and Amrita. Grit. For grit means you keep trying until you get it, okay? So if I'm not understanding, suppose a maths question, I will again ask teacher, or I will read from the book. I'll try something else and try to do it. So Netik yesterday joined for the first time our online class, and he was not able to do it. Okay, it was the first time for him. So he kept trying. He kept asking for help from Payal Miss, Didi who lives close to him, and at the end of 2-3 hours of trying, he was able to attend the class. He tried for more than 2-3 hours, but he was able to do it. So that's why the award goes to Netik. Then very, very well mannered and well spoken. Rinky, whenever she's talking to me or she's in class, or even on WhatsApp, when we are chatting, she's always using the words like please, thank you. Very nicely, she's, always talking and very calm and nice way. So Rinky gets well mannered award. The last category is collaboration. Students who are coming together and helping each other. So here, the first team to get is Riya Kumari and Rahul. I think both of them are not here today, but both of them have been attending classes together and helping each other out. So definitely they get an award. The last team to get an award is Amrita and Raj. They are always together. I think even today they are together and they are helping each other out. So both of them gets the award as well. That's it. That's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun in today's meeting. Did you? Yeah, Anjali is giving me a thumbs up. Zainab and Faisal are also. Okay, I can see a lot of clapping and a lot of thumbs up. Yay! And we are ending 11 minutes before time. Anything you would like to share or say before we close out?
Did you volunteers?
Yes. So, okay, let's introduce, how do we go about it? Okay, so volunteers, would you like to introduce yourselves?
Yeah, Nisha, you can introduce yourself.
So all the volunteers that are here, they will be helping us with one or the other thing. Either they will be teaching you in the morning in extra class, or they will be checking your homework and helping you with that. So all different things. So yeah, please go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Hi. I am Yashna, so even I'm a volunteer over here.
Yashna, would you like to share what are you doing right now?
I just finished my 12th just now, so I'm doing BMS. The colleges are started, so just attending lectures and all. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing, Yashna. So everyone, Yashna Didi is like a student, like you all. She's also a student. She has just started her college. Okay, all right. Who's next? Who wants to share next?
Okay, I'll share, Mansi.
Yes, Titir, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Titi, and yeah, thank you so much. Yes, a big hello to all of you. Mansi, thank you so much. I mean, you've created this opportunity. I am working with HDFC Bank, and going forward, I'll be helping, with the lessons and whoever has been assigned to me. And I found today's activity very, very evolving. And I hope to do this again. So just looking forward to seeing you all again. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing that, Titir. We are very happy to have you here.
Thank you too. Thank you.
All right. Next person who would want to share.
Hi everyone. My name is Ruchi. And it was really fun meeting you and of course drawing and coloring with you guys. I hope we all meet soon and this all ends soon. So instead of video calling, I hope we meet.
Very true, Ruchi. All of us are waiting for that. I think every day I get at least one student
Sure,
asking.
guys are missing meeting your friends in school and just talking and eating and doing things together.
Yes, yes, we definitely are. They keep asking me. I'm teaching, and in the middle of it, they start missing school so much that they're like, they raise their hand and then they ask, when is school starting? So yeah, that also has happened. Thank you so much, Ruchi, for being here and for sharing. Anyone else who would like to share?
Hi.
Abhishek, but you're not a volunteer. What do you want to say? But you can say.
My feeling is happy.
You're feeling happy? Oh, thank you for sharing that.
Seeing to all volunteers teachers.
Oh, you're feeling happy seeing all the volunteers. Oh, thank you for sharing that, Abhishek.
Hi.
Hi, Rashmi. Please go ahead, share.
Hi.
Hello, Abhishek.
Rashmi is having internet issues. She just messaged me. She's having problems.
Okay. Yeah, someone said my name.
Mansi, who's the naughtiest one in your batch? You missed an award for that, I guess.
Nishay, would you like to introduce yourself? Nishay?
Yeah, I would not want to comment on that, Ruchi. Let's not motivate them more. Nishay, you can share. I think he's also having some troubles. He's, I think, typing. Okay, got it. You can write on the chat. I can read it out for you. All right. Who's left?
So you can unmute yourself and talk. Yeah, you're on mute.
He's having some internet trouble, so he's typing the answer
Teacher.
chat box. Yes, Abhishek, yes. So Nisha is saying hello to everyone. You all can say hello back in wave. So he says he's currently doing Master MCom in Banking and Finance. So, okay, Jyoti is writing hello. So Nisha, we're very, very happy to have you here with us. Thank you for being here. Okay, who all is left, Payal Abhi, to share?
Rashmi and Ratnakar, I mean, they both are out. They are having internet issues.
It's okay.
So they will meet kids maybe next Saturday. Now they're outside.
Yeah, that's okay. So thank you so much once again for being here. I hope you guys had fun and you felt happy meeting the volunteers. And volunteers, thank you so much for being here and supporting us. So bye-bye everyone. Have a nice weekend. Make sure you are doing your test. Only few students have the test. Make sure you are all doing the test and submitting by the end of day today. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.
You can leave the meeting. Okay, ho gaya.
Bye.
I'm ending the meeting now.
No.
Yes, bye.